Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I hope you all are having a great day, and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys a Diwali tutorial, and I'm so excited. Diwali is around the corner and I love watching tutorials. I love watching all the festive stuff, and I love that everybody's so excited. It just makes me happy. So I've already done my brows and like moisturized my face because I feel like the brows take a lot of time for me, so that's the reason I just did it first. So without any further ado, let's get started. So to begin with, I'm going to apply a primer, which is the Benefit Professional Primer, onto my skin. And I am just kind of like pressing that onto the skin. It's a great pore filling primer, and I'm just pressing that on. And while that sits onto the skin, I'm going to start off with my eyes. And for that, I'm going to use the MAC Paint Pot in Soft Ochre. And this is one of my favorite eyeshadow bases. And I'm just lightly setting it with this Maybelline powder. Now I'm going to apply some tape so that I get the winged shadow sort of a look. And moving on to eyeshadow, I'm taking this shade from the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette, and I'm going to apply that as my transition shade. So I actually wanted something cool toned, so I grabbed the Urban Decay Naked 3 palette, and I'm applying the shade Nooner on my transition area and crease. So I'm just kind of like applying that generously with a Sigma brush. Now moving on to the shade called Dark Side. It's actually a grayish purpley sort of a shade, and I'm actually keeping this look very cool tone, so that's why I'm grabbing shades like these, and I'm going to apply that on the outer ends and slowly dragging it across the crease, and then also applying that on the inner corners. I'm actually aiming for a halo look, so that's why I'm doing this and keeping the middle portion kind of bare. So I'm slowly building up the color and also blending the edges so it does not look that harsh, and taking a clean brush and blending everything out. So I'm repeating the same thing on the other eyes. So I'm just applying that on the crease and then on the outer ends and blending the crease with the transition shade. Take this shade from the Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette. It's a silver sort of a shade, and I'm going to apply that onto the middle portion of my eyes using my finger, and then I'm just like slowly blending it and making sure it's not too harsh. I just want a very soft halo kind of a look, and that's why I'm just making it very soft and nice. Now I'm just going to take a brush and kind of like clean up the edges. And for liner, I'm going to use the Catrice Liquid Liner. It's a matte liner, and I'm just adding a very standard winged liner, nothing crazy. So I'm just removing the tape and adding some lashes, which is the Pack Eyelash in M71, which is a very natural looking sort of a lash. So moving on to foundation, I'm going to apply the Pack HD Liquid Foundation. So first of all, I'm going to dot that on one side, and then I'm going to blend it out using this flat kabuki brush, which is from Sigma, and it is in the number F80. I love this foundation because it has a nice yellow undertone. The coverage is beautiful, and it kind of looks beautiful on my skin. I just love wearing this foundation. So I'm just applying that onto my face. It's slightly darker, but I don't mind that. It's in the number 3.0. Now for concealer, I'm going to apply the Pack Spotlight Concealer in the shade Warm Tan, and I'm applying that underneath my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, and also a little bit on my chin and Cupid's bow. So now I'm going to use this Pixie brush, which I received in a PR package, to blend the concealer out. I use this brush so much to do that, and I kind of like it because of the size, and it just blends the concealer really well. So that's what I'm doing. And to bake my face, I'm actually going to be using the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Contouring Palette, the banana shade from that, and I'm nicely baking my face. Now meanwhile, I'm going to apply some bronzer, which is from Wet n Wild. This is their Color Icon bronzer in the shade What Shady Beaches, and I'm applying that using a Real Techniques brush and just warming up my skin. So I'm going to take the banana powder and I'm going to clean my cheeks, and also I'm going to take this shade from the Maybelline powder to contour my nose, and I'm also going to apply some banana powder on the bridge of my nose. I'm going to take a clean brush and I'm going to remove all the excess powder from my face, and I feel like it makes my skin look so much better when I bake my face, and it's kind of nice. Now I'm going to apply some blush, and this is the NYX HD blush in Amber, and it's such a pretty mauvey pink sort of a shade, and it goes really well with the cool tone theme we are creating here. And for highlighter, I'm actually going to be using a pressed eyeshadow from Pack, which is in the shade Luxury, and I'm applying that onto my cheekbones using a Real Techniques brush. This is such a pretty golden sort of a shade, and I love it. So I'm also applying that onto my nose and also a little bit on the chin. Now to complete the eyes, I'm going to take the same Dark Side shade. I'm going to smudge that onto my lower lashes. It kind of like pulls the look together, so I'm just applying that and
kind of blending the edges using a fluffy brush. And then I'm going to take an angles brush and I'm going to apply that really close to my lash line as well, so it kind of creates a dimension. And then I'm going to add a nice coat of mascara on the lower lashes, and then also adding some highlighty shade on the inner corners from the same palette. Now moving on to my favorite part of this entire look, which is the lip color. This is the PAC Retro Matte Lip Gloss in the shade Cupid's Bow, which is such a gorgeous color. It's a nice pink undertoned maroon sort of a shade, and it just goes so beautifully with this entire look and outfit. I'm just obsessed, and I really love the formula of these PAC lipsticks. So to finish off, I'm going to apply MAC Fix Plus in Gold Light and set my face using that. And that is the completed look.
The end of this tutorial, and this lip color, oh my god, I'm obsessed. It's so beautiful. I just love it. So this is like a tunic dress which I got a while back from Zara, and I think it's kind of looking a little ethnic, and I paired it up with these earrings. I got these earrings from Global Village, but then these two together go so well. So since the details are like silver, I wanted something like cool toned for the eyes. That's why I did like a cool toned silvery sort of an eye look, and the lips are sort of matching the embroidery, and I'm seriously obsessed with the way this look turned out. I hope you guys enjoyed it and wish you all a happy Diwali, and may God bless you all. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and let me know which is your favorite thing about Diwali in the comment section below. And also, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and hit that bell icon so you get notifications whenever I upload a video. Oh, thank you so much. Love you guys.